To enable notification pad for sound notification alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap the page thumbnail to enable it. When the thumbnail border turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will display notification page on the sound notification app icon when you have unread notification from the sound notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.